GOLDENAPE here, and today I will be bringing you some subway surfing hacking, so stay tuned. First, what you're going to want to do is open your game killer. You can download that from Google Play and open your Subway Surfer app. Alright, once it come on, you see how I only got 14. You're going to want to open your game killer, put 14 in, and search it. D word. 9,706 open. So then you're gonna run again. Just get some more coins. Not a lot, just get some that you think will be good. Alright. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more. Then I'm just gonna die. Alright, so I got the coins, so then you're gonna open game killer. You're going to type in 50, search, and then when they pop up, you're going to want to put how much money you want. So to me, that would be 9, that would be somewhere in the 9s, so just go put a bunch of 9s, okay, a bunch of 9s, and okay. Some more 9s. Okay. Some more 9s. And okay. Then you're going to head back and then go run again. Then just die. Here, let me collect this ladder. Then die. And there you have it. All my money. Thanks for watching another one of GOLDENAPE's channels. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more.